Here intercepts made by a straight line on the axis. Now we are drawing x dash, y dash, origin. Let us consider this is the straight line AB. AB straight line which meets x-axis at point A and meets at B point on y-axis. Then this OA is called x-intercept or the intercept made by the line on x-axis. OA is x, actually x-intercept. OB is called y-intercept or the intercept made by the line on y-axis. Usually these OB, that means the y-intercept is denoted as small c. Usually OB, the amount of interception from this origin OB, that means the value of y is denoted as small c. Okay. Now what are the sign convention of intercept? X-intercept is considered positive if it is measured to the right of that, this is origin, right of the origin, and it is measured negative if it is measured at the left of the origin. At the right of the origin it is measured positive intercept on x-axis, and if the intercept is for left side then it is measured as negative intercept. Again, y-intercept is considered positive if it is measured above the origin, and it is measured negative if it is below the origin. Above the origin y is positive, below the origin y is negative. Right of the origin x positive, left of the origin x negative. Equation of straight line in different form. First of all, equation of straight line parallel to x-axis. To deduce this equation, first we have to draw two-dimensional Cartesian coordinate system x dash, y dash. Now, line segment AB, okay, at P, a point on the line segment AB. The coordinate of P, let us consider xy. Now this is origin O. We are drawing a perpendicular from P on x-axis, the positive of x-axis. Whether the drawing is little bit oblique, but we are drawing perpendicular on x-axis, and consider this is M, so this is 90 degree. Now this distance we consider B. Now AB is a straight line parallel to x-axis then the ordinate of every point on that line AB is constant, say B, because the distance from x-axis to the line segment AB is B. We consider it. Now P be the point on that line segment AB whose coordinate is xy. Now we draw PM perpendicular on x-axis, and that MP is nothing but MP equals to y. So we can write y equals to B. So this is the required equation for that line. This is the required equation for the line AB. And what is the equation of x-axis? Because if the line AB comes down and coincides with these x-axis, then the B will be decreased to 0. Therefore, y equals to 0 is the equation of x-axis. Y equals to B, that line lies above or below the origin. It is determined by the sign of B. If it is above the origin, B is positive, and if it is below the origin, B is negative. Now, equation of straight line parallel to y-axis. By the same way, we are drawing coordinate system x, x dashed, y, y dashed, and a straight line segment AB parallel to y-axis. We are taking a point P whose coordinate is xy, and we are drawing perpendicular on y-axis. Say this is PM, whatever be, and the distance is, say, A. So throughout the straight line, the value A always constant. Therefore, we can write the required equation is x equal to A. This is the equation of that straight line AB, and if x equals to 0, then it is the equation of straight line which is nothing but the y-axis. So it is the equation of y-axis. At the right of the origin, then A is positive, and if the straight line is lying at the left side of the origin, then that A is negative. Okay.